It's now getting into that time of year where we're looking ahead, planning for success in the new year ahead. And our team's been working through an OKR exercise. And let's be honest, there's nothing worse than staring at a blank page, trying to come up with goals and metrics. And this is where I found Microsoft Copilot to come in handy this week. Of course, it combines all that generative AI creativity when you want to ask it questions, but it's grounded in the insights of your workplace. So I tried it this week by asking, give me 5 OKRs for my upcoming quarter. Use my recent work and communications for inspiration. Now, was it perfect? Let's be honest, no. And I wouldn't expect it to be, right? Copilot isn't my manager and it's not responsible for giving me what my goals and achievements should be. But it did give me a great starting point. And more to the point, it had at least one suggestion that was pretty decent. And the others, while they weren't quite on point, they did spark some ideas. So now instead of a blank page, I had some suggestions that I could tweak and refine and work with and build on. I even asked Copilot for some alternative ideas and advice for metrics, right? So I was able to interact and say, hey, I kind of see where you're going with suggestion number one. It wasn't on point. How about if we frame it this way? Or, oh, I like where you're going with that, but give me some example metrics of what that might be. Now, again, this is no replacement for actual planning and management. Some of the metrics it pulled out, I'm not quite sure where it got it from, but it did make the process so much easier that instead of starting with a blank page, you're starting with ideas that you can immediately look at and say, that's not right, or, oh, I like where you're going with that, but it could be better. It just saved me a lot of time, made the whole exercise much easier, and that is how I use Copilot this week. So hopefully it helps you as well and helps with your planning as well. And we'll see you all next week.